In this problem, we have a beam that is subjected to distributed load, as you can see, and it's supported at point B by a roller, and at point A, here we have a smooth rod, which means that there's no friction, and this beam is allowed to move up and down along this rod, but it's not allowed to move left to right. And also, because this beam is fixed to this collar, therefore it is not allowed to rotate either. So when we draw the free body diagram, okay, so here we have BY, and just like we said at point A, there's no allowed movement left to right. Therefore, there's a force FA, AX, and also there's no allowed rotation above point A. Therefore, there's a couple moment support MA. And then don't forget the applied distributed load. We use concentrated forces to replace them. So here we have in the center 200 times 2, that's 400 Newton. And here we have right here 1/3 location from the base. So that is 1/2 times 200 times 2, and that is 200 Newton. So moving back over here, let's 400 Newton here and 200 Newton here. So now we have completed the free body diagram. On this free body diagram, we have three unknowns, AX, BY, and MA, and we can write three equations. Resultant force along the x direction equals to AX, which is simply 0. Resultant force along the y direction equals to negative 200 minus 400 plus BY equals to 0. Resultant moment about point A equals to, don't forget the couple moment support reaction MA, that's one of our unknowns we need to solve for. And then minus 200 times the moment arm is this much, is 2/3 of the 2 meter, therefore 1.33 meter, minus 400, the moment arm is this much, that's going to be 2 meter plus 1 meter, so that's 3 meter. And then BY has moment about point A as well, as counterclockwise, so plus BY times 4, and that equals to 0. So from here, first equation, we can solve for AX, which is simply 0. From the second equation, we can solve for BY, which is 600 Newton. And then we substitute 600 Newton into the third equation, and then the remaining unknown is MA. From there, we can solve for MA, which equals to negative 933 Newton meter. The negative sign indicates that even though our assumed sense of direction for MA is counterclockwise, the actual support is a clockwise couple moment with a magnitude of 933 Newton meter.